What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota, talking to you today about not just this truck, but our big event we got coming up on the 12th, which is next Saturday, week from today. We got a big sale. We've got currently in stock, I have 25 lifted trucks. This is the biggest lift. This is our bad boy. We call it the Adventure Package. We've done it on a bunch of Tundras. They all sell super fast as soon as we do it. I hope this one's still around for the event because this is kind of our, I don't know what you call it, our flagship lifted truck. So I'll tell you a little bit about this one. We've done the same package, probably a little different wheels, but always the same tires, always the same lift. This is an 8-inch ready lift. So it's got all the components necessary for a lift this high and then some. 37-inch tires. These are really nice tires. Nito trail grapplers. It's a mud terrain tire. Really aggressive look and really good traction off-road, of course. This is a 2020 Tundra, limited in white. And not just that, it came from the factory with some additional options. The TRD dual black tipped exhaust. It had the TRD off-road package already. It even came with the factory Toyota tonneau cover and the factory bed rails. Of course, full tow package. We also put on these color matched Bushwhacker fender flares for the larger wheels and tires. These are 20-inch wheels, by the way. So this one here is a 2020. So if you watched my other videos, you know that there's some really cool updates for 2020. It's also the last year of the V8. You know, people might lift a hybrid Tundra for 2021, but I wouldn't. Advanced keyless entry, that's the big news for 2020. So I grabbed this door handle, it unlocked the car, or truck rather. And we got these AMP Research automatic running boards that pop right out. Moving on inside, it's a limited. So we got the JBL premium audio system. It's a 2020, so we got push button start, auto climate, fast charging USB ports, parking sensors. We also have a larger display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moonroof, power seats, heated seats, Toyota Safety Sense Pedestrian, Bluetooth for your cell phone. This is a CREWMAX, so we got that awesome rear window. This truck is awesome. I hope it's here for our event, but if you're interested sooner, please hit me up. I always like to sell the best looking truck on the lot or the best looking car on the lot. It's just a good thing to do. This one, you know, the truck itself, the way it's equipped with the limited premium, TRD off-road, moonroof, that performance dual exhaust. It's got a TRD shift knob, tonneau cover, all this stuff. 54 for $252. This Adventure Package is $20,000. Takes you up to $74,845. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can reach me anytime with that number below. Hit me up in the comments, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Come on in on the 12th. See you there.